Sa last video ay aming hinatid si Mami sa airport para sa kanyang early flight. However, we were almost late dahil sa hindi namin inaasahang mga pangyayari. So, buti na lang ay nakarating kami ng on time. Hi everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bibian Casey, where I shared my experiences of living in South Africa as Pilipina. Pagkatapos namin ihatid si Mami sa airport, nagdesisyon kami na bisitahin ang Mall of Africa para maipakita ko sa inyo ano yung itsura nito compared sa malls natin sa Pilipinas. As we all know na we Filipinos have a lot of malls in the Philippines, so including one of the largest mall of Asia. Someone commented asking if I could speak English in my videos so they can understand me. I will try my best, but also I need to speak in my native language since I have subscribers from the Philippines. To accommodate everyone, I will add English captions as well. Thank you all for your support. Anyway, we are already here inside of the mall. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mall of Asia versus Mall of Africa. Disclaimer, all the opinions that I'm going to say in this video is just my own experience and perspective. No bashing, just be happy. So shopping hours in Mall of Africa is 9 to 8 p.m. while in the Philippines, it's 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. This info is from ChatGPT. So Mall of Asia is one of the largest mall in the Philippines and in the world.
Wow.
While Mall of Africa is the largest mall in South Africa.
Wow.
And yes, based on the experience, talagang mas malaki ang Mall of Asia. Sa size at structure, ang Mall of Asia ay 67 hectares with multiple buildings and outdoor entertainment area. While Mall of Africa is 131,000 square meter, may retail space designed with modern African-inspired architecture. So later you will see the architecture, ipapakita ko dito sa video na ito, and you will be amazed, ang ganda. Stores and brands. Mall of Asia ay mix of local and international brands including high-end and budget-friendly option, while Mall of Africa primarily offers international luxury brands and high-end street brands with fewer local store, which is I noticed as well dahil kung makikita nyo dito sa video, more on high-end store or brands siya. Fewer lang yung mga local brand. When it comes to entertainment and attraction, Mall of Asia has IMAX theater, skating ring, concert grounds, amusement rides, and famous Mall of Asia ay Ferris wheel, while Mall of Africa has large cinema complex, play area for kids, and open air park area. I really love the play area for kids and open air park area. If you are a nature lover or into nature, you'll love the open park area, and nakaka-relax, ang sarap ng hangin. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na napaka-peaceful ng paligid. That
Wow.
I love it. Siyempre, sa dining option naman tayo. Ang Mall of Asia ay wide variety of Filipino, Asian, international cuisine, and more on seafood. While Mall of Africa features South African, African, and international food with fine dining choices. Kumbaga, ang Mall of Asia ay busy, crowded, and buhay na buhay, with a mix of shopping, leisure, and family-friendly activities as well sa Mall of Asia, while sa Mall of Africa ay more modern and upscale, kumbaga pang rich kid, and with a relaxed shopping environment, focus on luxury experiences. Parehas na mall ay impressive in their own way. Ang Mall of Asia ay kilala sa size niya and diverse entertainment as well, while ang Mall of Africa ay nag-i-stand out naman siya ay sa upscale shopping experience and modern design. Enjoy watching the video of this amazing place while I'm still narrating my observation and my experience here. Ang isa ko pang na-notice, ang mga sales associate, sales lady, sales attendant sa Pilipinas, they are wearing standard makeup, hair, shoes, uniform, while dito, presentable sila pero hindi mo makikita na katulad na stricto sa atin sa Pilipinas. And the other thing, kahit Sabado at Linggo rito, hindi ganun karami ang tao. While sa atin sa Pilipinas, sobrang daming tao lagi Lunes to Biyernes o hanggang Linggo. Dito talaga ang tahimik ng pamimili. Isang beses lang ako nakita ko na sobrang daming tao is noong Christmas. So I will stop narrating now so you can enjoy the place or the video. And we have Under Armour, and we have even iStore. And look at that, it looks like a tree. Yeah, this is Mall of Africa, and they have the iStore. Let's get with the iStore. So you can see it. Oh, the iStore, and then they have New Balance in there. Oh, I want that too. Lucky Bread. Go. And that side we have the Michael Kors. They have the Boss, Versace Jeans Couture, Versace Couture, and then we have the what is it? What is in outside? Never go there. They have no man. Oh, it's just like a statue thing. They have the Imperio Armani. It's there. Let's go here. Let's look around. Yeah, and then we will come back for this side. Round. Yeah, they have Zara in there, and they have Grand Piano in the middle of the mall. Exchange as well, and they have Zara, and they have MAC. It's MAC. Bands. Oh, we're coming out here.
But we can walk around and I can listen to
Where?
the piano.
What is BNO?
Playing all of them.
What is it?
Speakers.
I thought we're going down.
Just
They are still closed. Let's go now.
they're open.
It's the gas and the tree. It's like mall, but the mall has park. It's part of Mall of Africa, right?
Yeah. And there's also the new waterfall development behind here.
It's like a kids picnic park. Oh, it's outside, love. The Ferris wheel is outside. It's not part of the...
But look, there's all the rides and things here. I think maybe on at night.
Yeah.
In Centurion, there's a dinosaur thing going, with robotic dinosaurs and things happening. Or it might have been past already, I'm not sure.
So it's like you're going, oh, you need to go here now. There's a train.
We'll walk around it. I thought maybe you want to see right around the
Yeah. And I'm doing, here's the way. Going there.
Yeah, but that hooks up to there, but the way is different.
It's nice.
It's a little bit further.
Narito kami sa labas. Part pa rin daw ito ng Mall of Africa. As you can see, it's in there. And I hope you enjoy this video, and please, if you enjoy, subscribe, like, comment, and share as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next episode. Thank you for all of your support. Bye. See you next time.